Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to our grammar class. Today, let us study some grammar. Okay, next week, let us continue GK revision. So, all of you take your grammar text, take page number 26. Lesson 10 is, are plus verb plus ing. Okay, page number 26, lesson 10 is, are plus verb plus ing. So, before we begin the lesson, let me revise doing words or verbs. So, what is a doing word? What is a verb? A doing word tells us what someone does, what someone or something does. Action words. Doing word is also called an action word or a verb. So, what is a doing word? Doing word is an action word. A lot of action words like write, read, dance, draw, jump, play, eat, cook, etc. These are all doing words because these are the actions that we do. Okay, so doing words are action words or verb. So today we are going to study what I'll give you some more examples of action words. So look at here. Here you can see what this boy is playing. So play is an action word. Sleep. So here this girl is sleeping. So sleep is an action word. Then these boys are watching television or seeing television. Watch. Okay. Sit, stand. Then jump. These are all what action words. Okay. Now here in this lesson, we are going to study how to add ing to the verb, to a verb, to a base form of a verb. Okay, so look at here. Eat, eating. So, we add ing to the verb eat. Eat plus ing is equal to what? Eating. This is how we have to add ing to a verb. Eat plus ing, eating. Okay. Now I'll give you some more examples. Eat plus ing, eating. Look plus ing, looking. Walk plus ing, walking. Sing plus ing, singing. Book plus ing, booking. Write plus ing, writing. Then what? Sleep plus ing, sleeping. So this is how we can add ing to a verb. Base form of a verb. Base form means first form, V1 form. Okay. Then there are here in your textbook two rules are given. When we add ing form, we have to remember these two rules. What are they? Okay. When a verb ends in E, drop the letter E and drop the letter. Drop the letter E and add ing at the end of the verb. So 2 points to remember when we would add ing to a verb. First point is when a verb ends in letter E, drop the letter E and add ing. So that is the first rule. Suppose make, M-A-K-E. This word ends with the letter E. Okay. So in such words, what we have to do is we have to drop the last letter. Drop ചെയ്യാന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ കളയുക. So make, M-A-K-E. ആ E അങ്ങ് കളഞ്ഞിട്ട് then we have to add ing. And the result is M-A-K-I-N-G, making. So, words that ends in letter E, drop the letter E and add ing. That is the first rule. Okay. Second example here, game, G-A-M-E. Here also this word ends in letter E. So what we have to do is drop letter E, add ing. So gaming. കണ്ടോ ഇ കളഞ്ഞിട്ട് ഐ എൻ ജി ആക്കുക. Then similar what in your text, hide, H-I-D-E, hide. So this word also ends in letter E. So what we have to do is drop letter E and add ing. So result hiding, H-I-D-I-N-G. കണ്ടോ E ഇല്ല. Okay, that is first rule. Then second rule is when in a verb vowels like A, E, I, O, U come before the ending consonant, the consonant is repeated or doubled. Okay, another rule. If a verb, what in a verb vowels like A, E, I, O, U come before the ending consonant. Vowels means A, E, I, O, U, സ്വരാക്ഷരങ്ങൾ. In Malayalam it is സ്വരാക്ഷരങ്ങൾ A, E, I, O, U. In English we have only 5 vowels A, E, I, O, U. Consonants എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ വ്യഞ്ജനാക്ഷരങ്ങൾ. വ്യഞ്ജനാക്ഷരം എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ കായ്ക്ക് കായ്ക്ക് ങ, ചായ്ച്ച് ചായ്ച്ച് ങ. That is in Malayalam. In English that is letters other than vowels are all consonants. ഇപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾ അങ്ങനെ പഠിച്ചാൽ മതി. ലൈക്ക് വാട്ട് പി, പ, ബ, ട്, ഡ, ക, g, like that. So it is letters other than A, E, I, O, U is consonants, Vyanjanakshara. So here if a word, so look at this word run, kando, R-U-N, run. This word ends in a consonant. Kando, N is a consonant. Look at the letter before this consonant. A, E, I, O, U ഒരു ലെറ്ററാണ് U. So in such words what we have to do is we have to double the consonant, last consonant, double the consonant or repeat the consonant. So the result is R-U-N-N-I-N-G, R-U-N-N-I-N-G. So we doubled the consonant. Then chop. Take the word chop. C-H-O-P, chop. Here the word ends in a consonant, P sound. Then here we can see a vowel sound. So naturally what will happen? So double the consonant, C-H-O-P-P-I-N-G. Okay, then similar words, what here jog, J-O-G, jog. Here consonant, last consonant ആണ്, തൊട്ട് മുന്നിൽ vowel sound ആണ്. So jogging, G will repeat, J-O-G-G-I-N-G. In your text it is given. Okay, jogging. Then sit. Sit എന്ന് പറയുന്ന word നോക്കിയേ, S-I-T, sit. What? Sitting, S-I-T-T-I-N-G. The letter T doubled because of the influence of the vowel sound. Then put, P-U-T, put, putting, cut, cutting, etc. Okay. So these are 2 rules. When we would add ing to a verb, we have to keep this in our mind. Okay. Then let us revise what arm, is, are. That also we have already studied. So am, is, are is called helping words, are called helping verbs. Helping verbs എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ it is used to help the main verb in a sentence. Okay, so am, is, are. So along with I we use am. Then with singular nouns and pronouns we use is. Like he, she, it. Then singular subjects is. Then along with you we use are. Then plural nouns and pronouns, subjects we use are. Okay. So that also we have studied. Then so look at these example. Look at the sentence. She is cooking. What is she doing? She is cooking. What is she doing? She is cooking. So here we can see the subject is singular pronoun is here. So we take is auxiliary verb and cook plus ing, cooking. She is cooking. So we add ing to an action verb to tell someone about an action. So that what that we can see at the happening at the time of speaking. At the time of speaking, present actions. For denoting present actions, we take this form. ഇപ്പോൾ നടന്നുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്ന കാര്യങ്ങൾ പറയാനാണ് നമ്മൾ ഈ ഈസ് ആം ആർ പ്ലസ് verb plus ing form is used. That is actions that are happening at the time of speaking. She is cooking now. Okay, then next sentence, they are painting the wall. Are painting, are vannathu they is plural, so are. Then paint plus ing, painting. Okay, then then is, are, am plus verb plus ing. So in all those sentences we can see this construction. What is, are, am plus verb plus ing എന്നുള്ള ഫോം നമുക്ക് കാണാനായിട്ട് പറ്റും. Okay, so in these sentences, that is cooking, painting, diving, he is diving, so etc. indicates that the action is going on and it is not over. So we use am, is, are before verb plus ing to tell someone about the present. We use verb plus ing. That is am, is, are plus verb plus ing to tell someone about the പ്രസൻറ്റ് ആക്ഷൻ, ഇപ്പോൾ നടക്കുന്ന കാര്യങ്ങളെക്കുറിച്ച് പറയാനാണ് നമ്മൾ ഈ ഫോംസ് യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ആം, ഈസ്, ആർ പ്ലസ് verb plus ing. ഹിയർ ഹി ഈസ് ഡൈവിങ് ആണ്. ഹി ഈസ് ഡൈവിങ്. ദേ ആർ പെയിൻറ്റിങ്. ഷീ ഈസ് കുക്കിംഗ്. സോ ആം, ഈസ്, ആർ പ്ലസ് verb plus ing form is used to tell someone about the present. Present action, actions that are happening at the time of speaking. ഇപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ സംസാരിച്ചുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്ന അറ്റ് പ്രസൻറ്റ്, ഇപ്പോഴത്തെ കാലത്ത് നടക്കുന്ന കാര്യങ്ങളെക്കുറിച്ച് പറയാനാണ് നമ്മൾ ആം, ഈസ്, ആർ പ്ലസ് verb plus ing ഫോം യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, now look at here. Ricky is playing football. Is playing. Ricky singular, so we take is, then play plus ing, playing. Ricky is playing football. Then the birds are flying in the sky. The birds plural, so are, then fly plus ing, flying. Okay, then I am going to school. I, along with I we use am. I am going to school. It's a present action. Okay, so these are all present action. Then use of is, am, are plus ing form of the verb. I'll give you some examples. Look at here. The child dash a book. Bracket read verb കൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. So we have to add ing form, present continuous form. The child singular, so we take is. The child is, then read plus ing, reading. The child is reading a book. Then you, with you we take are. You are telling a lie. You tell plus ing, telling. Then I dash my teeth. Bracket brush. I, along with I we use am. I am brush plus ing, brushing. I am brushing my teeth. Then we dash for the party. We are cook plus ing, cooking. We are cooking for the party. Okay, so we sometimes use is, am and are with doing words in the ing form to show that the actions that are happening at the time of speaking. So am, is, are plus verb plus ing. We use am, is, are plus verb plus ing to indicate actions that are happening at the time of speaking. Okay, so that is what he is painting now. I am singing, we are dancing. So some rules, two rules are given here that I have already given. That is first one, dropping the letter E and add ing. Second one, doubling the consonant, doubling or repeating the consonant. Okay. Now let us do exercises given page number 26. Okay, tick the sentences in which is, arm and are support doing words. Circle the doing words in each sentences. Two have been done for you. So doing words ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ we have to tick it. Okay. I am taking pictures of this beautiful garden. So here we can see what a helping verb, am is there, then take plus ing. Second sentence, Jyoti and Jia are twins. So no verbs here. Okay, doing words ഇവിടെ illa. So into ma. Then Seema and her friends are playing. So here playing is the doing word. Are is also there. So tick. We are practicing for a recital now. So we are. So practicing is the doing word. Are is there. So tick. Then the animals are thirsty. So no doing word. A lot of vehicles are moving. Are moving is there. So tick. Okay, so this is the answer. Then fill in the blanks with is, am or are and the ing form of the doing word. So what we have to do is verbs are given, doing words are given in the bracket. We have to add am, is, are and ing form. According to the subject, we have to add am or is or are. Okay, the dogs plural. So we take what? Are. Bark plus ing, barking. The dogs are barking loudly. Then dad is singular, so dad is. Then wash plus ing, washing. The dad is washing the car now. Then I dash on the bench. I am. I വരുമ്പോൾ am. Then sitting. sitting, sitting. Then the ducks are swimming. Ducks are swimming. SWIMMING. Doubling because a vowel sound came before the last consonant. Okay. The cat is chasing. CHASING. ഇവിടെ E ആണ് ലാസ്റ്റ് ലെറ്റർ. അപ്പം നമ്മൾ ഡ്രോപ്പ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് ആഡ് ചെയ്യണം ING. CHASING. Then water is flowing. FLOWING. Water is flowing. So here I have written all the answers. Then last, look at the picture, fill in the blanks with is, am or are and ing form of the doing words from the box. One has been done for you. So we have to look at the picture. Words are given in the brackets. It is a beautiful day. Then Gurmeet and Vidya are playing volleyball. Rani's pet dog Tuffy. Rani's pet dog is here. Relaxing. Rani's pet dog Tuffy is relaxing. RELAXING. Relaxing on the mat. Then Sam dash pictures. Sam is clicking. CLICKING. Okay. Sam is clicking pictures. Mother dash shells. Mother is. Then collecting. Mother is collecting seashells. Here we can see mother is collecting seashells. Shells. Then Amir and Rupa dash a sand castle. So Amir and Rupa here they are building. Are plural ആണ്. So are building BUILDING, building a castle. Then ice cream seller dash the ice cream. Ice cream seller is selling. SELLING. Last one, selling the ice cream. So answers are given in the next picture. Okay, here. So write all the answers in your grammar text, and I have attached the answer key also. If there is any doubt, you can make use of this answer key. Okay, so complete all the answers, write neatly and correctly. Okay, thank you. That's all for today.